What's up? Here con Juju.
Hola, you too. Me too. You too. Me too.
He's working on a client's truck right now. Changing out the, what was it? Wheel bearings?
Inner outer tie rod, pitman arm, center support arm.
All of that. All of that. I'm gonna show you guys what he did. So he painted the calipers blue. He painted. Remember, guys, not a mechanic. I don't know what everything is.
Low control arms.
Low control arms, blue.
Shock. Upper control arms.
Upper control arms.
Rear suspension.
He did everything, guys.
Rhinoline.
Good shit. So he painted the whole truck. The hood's not done yet, but he painted the whole truck. A little dirty right now, but he's gonna clean it up.
Gotta finish what's on, buffing it.
Gotta wax it, gotta buff it, gotta stick it, gotta roll it.
Lick it before you stick it.
He made this, put this on. The owner of the truck, he's a vet or an officer?
Huh?
He's a vet or an officer?
Who?
The owner of the truck?
No, nobody. He just likes the police and stuff.
Oh shit, okay. So this is it. Guys, this truck's nice as hell, man. It's an F-150 Triton V8. I wish I was recording earlier, man. As soon as I got here, he was doing some, the truck's been misfired. And he was trying to test it out, see, I guess, which one it was. And the shit went, bah! Fucking flames, bro. Flames came out. But, it's a fucking flame. It's a flamer.
Flamer the flamer.
Let me show you guys his ride. All right, guys, so this is Juju's Alpina, 2003. Yeah, I know. This is alarm. The alarm is super sensitive. So Wagon P3S. Let me do a cinematic. Hold up, be back. Get over here! That was his. Absolutely love it. Shit is crazy. We actually got something for it coming really soon. We're just waiting on one more thing. But yeah, you guys will be getting some footage on that as soon as it's done. But yeah, guys, go and give him a follow. His Instagram will be right there in the middle. And you show him some support. He is an Army vet. If you guys didn't know, my brother actually served as well in the Army. He's a veteran now as well. And I'm a big supporter on military first responders and stuff like that too. So I actually have something in the future coming up regarding military and whatnot. I'm not going, but I definitely want to contribute as much as I can. So give him a follow, show him some love. And also, he's the one that does everything. He's the one that did my steering wheel. For those of you that have been asking and stuff like that about it. So again, he's the one that did this. If you want this steering wheel, let me know, guys. He can hook you guys up. And again, you don't have to do exactly this. Again, I have the hex carbon with the red stitching, all that stuff. You can do whatever you want. You can put the lights up there so it tells you when to shift. You can do forged carbon, regular carbon. You can do blue stitching, burgundy stitching, whatever you want, guys. But yeah, hit them up if you guys want one of those. Come here, baby. Come here. Guys, this is Serena. She's a beautiful pit. So you see, she's pretty old, but she's strong as hell. She's strong as an ox. She's, I think, like about 15 years old, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, look at that. Guys, those of you that are scared of pit bulls, come on, bro. Look at that. Look at that. You good? You happy? You a good girl? Yeah. Shit, good girl. Can't forget one. Look at that. She don't care at all.
Sloppers all over everything.
Serena got a whole warehouse, bro. She wants to go under the car where we're working.
That's what I say.
Okay, guys. After 5,000 hours, Juju did it, as always. He switched it. The control arms?
Those are inner and outer tie rod.
Tie rod, not control arms. Tie rod, guys. I told you I'm not a mechanic. He's a mechanic, not me. There you go.
Legal.
Serena.
¿Quién pinga se cagó? No.
She looks for so much attention, bro.
She's an attention player.
Alright guys, all done with this. Just had to come today to help him out with a few things. This one's up next. Gotta do some paint work. Man, guys, I love this exhaust, but can't wait to get the new one. I'm not gonna say which one I'm getting yet. I hope I didn't say it already. I don't think I did. Well, yeah. So, I'm gonna head home now. Gotta wash my hands. I know I hate touching my steering wheel like this. I clean my steering wheel just so that way it doesn't get dirty, but you know. Anyways, all right guys, I'll see you a little bit later and continue this vlog. For right now, I'm ending here, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right.
Ego quite the size of the crib. I can never tell him that it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on everything confident. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual.
Alright, so I actually have my girlfriend with me, but she's a little camera shy right now. You guys will meet her one day, but not yet. So we're here with her two little dogs. We're trying to actually go watch the sunset. Do that real quick. So we're gonna try to find a spot real quick and see if we could just chill and relax and just, you know, appreciate the sunset for a little bit. All right. If we get there, I'll show you guys a little something. What's up, guys? So missed the sun. Let me see. Hold up. Yeah, missed the sun. It already dropped, but we're just gonna chill out here for a little bit. She's in the car. She's really shy, but it's okay. You guys will see it. So yeah. Guys, go out and appreciate what you got, man. For real, go out and appreciate it. And plus, while we're out here, we get a few pictures, a few videos of the car and everything too. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll a little time lapse for you guys, just so you can check it out. All right. See you.
They had the counter like lighting it up, nigga. Anybody get it? I'm on a PJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticky. I'm trying to throw that Drake on London, and it's extended. They gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. We some poor, high class niggas, made it, we rich. Yeah. I was at the band, though, got a penthouse for a closet. Ooh, it's like a shando, feel my niggas, my bitch. Ooh, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Ooh, got professors.
I love my car, but I hate gas now, bro. What's up, guys? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna end it just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and watch the car quick. I wanted to watch it during the day, but didn't get a chance to. So I'm here at a Touch This Car Wash. Just want to make sure, you know, of course, maintain your car, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some quick footage of that, and then yeah, I'll go from there. All right, see you in a sec. Not before we get this guy, bro. Come on, I'm sure there's a bathroom inside, dude.
3 cameras facing him.
For real? Where?
And then there's 2 there.
That's crazy. Anyways, all right, bye. right, so that's about it. This video is officially a wrap. Hope you guys like this one. Again, it's a little bit more kind of like of my day-to-day life. A little bit less, not less of the car, because I mean we had a lot of car footage and whatnot. But yeah, let me know. Give me some feedback in the comments below. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and you know, I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So again, appreciate it. Keep building your cars for you guys. Always build your cars for you, for nobody else. Whatever makes you happy, keep doing that. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Next one's gonna be exciting, so just wait for that. All right, I'll see you guys later.